Verifying your bank account with PayPal is a crucial step for secure transactions. Let's explore how long this process takes and what documents PayPal might require. To confirm your bank account, PayPal will deposit 2 small amounts into your bank account. This usually takes 2 to 3 business days. Once you see these deposits, you'll need to enter the exact amounts in your PayPal account to complete the verification. If the process takes longer than 3 to 5 business days, ensure that the bank information you provided is correct. If it is, contact customer support on the app or website. In some cases, PayPal might ask you for additional documentation to verify your identity. This could include a proof of identity, such as a driver's license, passport, or government-issued ID. Proof of address, which could be a recent utility bill, a bank statement, or other official documents showing your name and address. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.